Hi, how are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm also great. Where are you from?
Georgia.
Georgia. Wow, nice country. Maybe it's European country, right?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Oh, okay. So I'm from Bangladesh.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
No, I've heard of it before. You like it?
Maybe your boyfriend broke your heart. Why you are crying?
I don't know. I don't know how to take it off.
Oh, okay. So you hide your half face. Why? I can't see you full.
Because my phone's on the charger.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. You're looking so beautiful. So sweet.
Thank you.
Welcome. So you live in Georgia or another country?
I'm from Georgia and I live in Georgia.
Oh, okay. I don't have any good idea about your country. So can you tell me something about your country?
It's basic.
Yeah. So what is the capital city name of Georgia?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Is it Arabic country? Which language do you speak in Georgia?
We all speak English.
Oh, English. Just English.
Yeah, we're English.
Okay. How many languages do you speak?